Good day, everyone. Welcome back to AE Farm. So today I want to try out a new thing. I've been growing banana so long on the ground, but this time around I want to grow this banana inside a container. As you can see, it's already inside a 13-liter container already, but I'll be transplanting it inside this big container. This is 65 liters, so I'll be transplanting this banana inside this 65 liters container. Here is where it will now be growing, and it will also produce inside this container. Before I start, I want to show you the container I'll be using. So this is a plastic container. This container I'll be using, this is 65 liters. Let me show you. See, this is 65 liters. This is 65. So I'll be transplanting it inside here, and I have to make holes, about 7 small holes, so that the water, whenever I water this banana, it will properly drain out. So you can see the holes I made, so that it can properly drain the moisture or the excess water after watering the banana. So here is the banana tree that I will be transplanting inside this container. So already I planted the banana seedling inside this 13-liter container, and it's been growing here for like 2 months since I planted it. You can see the stage at which the banana have grown to. So my job today is to successfully transplant this banana inside this container. This variety of banana, this is a Cavendish banana, but this is not the dwarf type. This is not the dwarf species. Also, it doesn't grow extremely tall like other Cavendish banana that grow tall. This is just average. The highest height it can reach is maybe about 6 feet tall. So it's not the dwarf type, but it also doesn't grow too tall. That is why I selected this variety to grow it inside this container. You can see I've also gotten the soil I will be using to grow the banana ready. This is the soil I will be pouring inside this container. These 5 buckets contain soil that I will be using to grow this banana tree here. For ensure a healthy and proper growth of my banana, I brought out also another bucket of manure. This is farmyard manure. This is manure gotten from pig farm. This is animal droppings inside. So I'll also be using it to plant the banana tree, and is enough to allow the banana to grow and also reach maturity. I'm planting the banana now. So the first thing to do is for me to start pouring this soil inside this container. So I will fill the soil halfway here before I transplant the banana seedling inside. Next, I need to remove this banana from the container. See? Now I've removed the banana seedling from the container. You can see this is the roots. This is how the roots is. I make sure the banana is at the center of this container. So it's perfect like this. Now the next thing is also to remove some of this topsoil, like so that I will expose the roots from the top, because this is the part of the root that will be absorbing most of the top nutrients. So now I need to pour the rest of the soil to cover up the remaining spaces around it. I filled up the container with soil, and the last thing to do now is to apply the manure on top of the soil. You notice I didn't apply the manure inside the soil. I will have to apply it on top of the soil, because that's how banana is being fertilized. You have to apply the manure on top, so that the manure after watering will be dripping inside, and that's how the plant absorbs the manure. I'll be adding it. This is surface manuring, so this ensures that the banana tree gets enough nutrient to grow. I will be watering it also. This water is enough for today. It won't be needing regular watering. At least twice or 3 times in a week is enough for this banana tree to grow successfully here. Thank you for watching, and follow this channel for more updates on the growth of this banana. I'll also be sharing each stages of the growth of this banana tree. And finally, I'll also share a video of when it starts fruiting.